With this activity, it will improve children's gross motor skill. For example, they will learn to lift their arms up according to the direction of the clock. Secondly, it will improve children's fine motor skill. For example, they will learn to isolate their fingers. For example, number 1, number 2, and number 3. And lastly, it will improve their memorization. They will learn to memorize the cue and the step of the music and the choreographing. So that's all for me, and thank you for watching.